Hey guys, I wanna give you a tutorial today on how to draw a realistic nose from scratch. This is the easiest way to draw a nose because you don't need any reference photo in the drawing process. It's the best freehand drawing and hope you will enjoy it. So let's dive into the video.
Now we are going to start with 3 circles. I'm going to first draw the bigger, which goes in the middle of all circles. Then I'm going to draw the second one smaller to the first circle. Then the third circle on the right hand side. We're going to insert some holes, those nose holes. I'm going to insert them. Insert holes the other side and this side. After, we're going to make a short line and then bring the line to the line we made and also bring the line. Then we are going to draw the other side. Using the circles, we can figure how we can draw the nose. I'm going to draw lines that help us in noticing where we will shade and where we will leave highlight. We're going to shade here, and shade also this left side. Yeah. Then we are going to shade here down the nose. Then after, we are going to blend using a blush tool. Make sure that the nose is real, make it realistic. Blend on every shaded area. You can blend using a blush tool or a blending stamp or a piece of paper. As now we are going to use a piece of paper and blush, but let's first use this blush. Use an eraser to remove some lines which are not needed, and then make it too good. Start blending. Yeah. Make it very good. As you see, the nose is realistic. Those are the few steps of drawing a nose. Please don't forget to leave a like if this video helped you, and subscribe to see more how to draw videos like this one. Keep blending until your nose is realistic. Draw the holes very well. Add the black in them. Then blend. Yeah, then we are going to use a piece of paper to blend too. To make it realistic, we need a piece of paper which blends all lines.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more drawing tutorials like this one. To be notified when I post a new video, click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button as well. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.